In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the problem of your X timeline not loading or showing tweets. Let's get in. First, check your internet connection. So launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, restart your X app. On iPhone, swipe up to close it completely. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, X, then Force Stop. Then reopen the app and try again. Next up, update your app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app X. After app appears, if you find the option of update, you'll need to click on it and update the app to its latest version. If still you are having the issue, you can use the web version. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website, X login. Now provide your credentials and log into your account. This might fix your issue. If neither the app nor the website loads, it could be a server outage. For that, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix X when your timeline is not loading or showing tweets. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.